One little duck went out to play, waddling through the pond all day. Splish and splash with a happy sound, quacking and jumping all around. Two busy bees buzzed all day, flying through flowers in a lovely way. Buzz, buzz here and buzz, buzz there, sharing sweet honey everywhere. Three striped tigers taking a nap under a tree, curled in her lap, purring softly, dreaming sweet, snuggled up from head to feet. Four tiny turtles went for a ride, riding the waves with the ocean tide, slow and steady in a row, splashing gently as they go. Five silly monkeys swinging high, reaching for bananas in the sky. They giggle and flip with so much fun, playing around till the setting sun. Six little frogs began to hop, bouncing over lily pads never stop. Ribbit, ribbit, they sing with cheer, jumping high when the pond is near. Seven bright birds sang a tune, twined together beneath the moon. Red and yellow, green and blue, their songs were pretty strong and true. Eight spotted dogs ran through the park, chasing their tails until it got dark. Wolf and wag, they barked with glee, happy as can be, wild and free. Nine soft kittens rolled in the hay, tumbling around in a game of play. Meow and pounce with fluffy paws, climbing boxes, breaking no laws. 10 little critters tucked in bed, pillows soft beneath the